Guys, Tyler T here with another video, and before this video starts, I want to say, if you're having a good day, kind of early in the morning, but if you're having a good day, hit that like button, and I hope you have a better day and a good night's sleep, and stuff like that, and comment down, comment in the comment section, if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna be playing like Pixel Gun 3D or something like that, and you see I just started, so let's get right into it. So, solar ray rifle, medium wooden. Oh, I'm guessing this is what I get if I win, something like that. Okay, Paradise Resort is going to be the map, and I guess I'm gonna be making some call outs. Gonna be all up in there. Ooh, I already have a sniper. Call me Faze Rain. Ready? Ready? There's gonna be somebody over here. I'm gonna shoot them. I'm gonna win. Oh wait, is this like deathmatch? Wait a minute. Oh, 360 no scope. Let's get it. Yo, I'll back up. Oh, what the heck? Yo! Get on my level. Yo, I'm so good. Is he shooting at me? I know you ain't shooting at me, boy. You was wrong for that. Oh, God. I'm on a kill streak. This can't happen. Oh, so close. I could. Oh, no, we're looting again, though. Okay, let's get. Oh, one pull side. Oh, God, no. Oh god, no. Yo, 360 no scope, triple kill. Let's get right into it, yo. My name is Tyler Too Legit. Oh, get out of here, yo. I'm so good at this game. Oh, out of ammo. I'm so done. Leave me alone. Yo, I don't have any other gun. Yo. What do? Do I just like die or something like that? Like, what is there to do? Yo, I keep hitting that, my aim. Oh, what the? Oh, so. Is there a gun up here? Do I just keep jumping? No, but this is a good place to snipe at. You know what? Just kill me. Take me. Wherever you are. Take me. Yo, you guys saw that kill streak I was on? Ooh, health. Oh wait, yo, maybe there's ammo somewhere. Yo, can you leave me alone? Like, jump off a bridge? Just kidding, suicide's not funny, kids. Okay, holy mug. Yo, where the heck do I go? I'm all alone. Singing a song that I don't know what's called, but I'm trying to find some ammo. I'm gonna call this the ammo looking victory. Let's get it. Yo, 4 kills and 0 deaths though. Boy, I just went beasting on him. I said, beast. Let's get in the game. Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be like Call of Duty or something like that. Not what I mean. Okay. There's gonna be somebody in here. Guys, I don't know if you knew this, but I'm an MOG pro at this game. I'm in Faze Rain. Faze, if you have a team for this, can I please join? I mean, like, you already know I have skills. Ready? Okay. Don't look at this. Faze Pomage. It's not even Faze Pomage anymore. Oh, yo, God, what the? Where did you go, you slippery little snake? Yo, I hit you. What the? Yeah. No, I died, didn't I? Yeah. My first death. It is my first death. But he's low on health too. Oh, that was a little up. Come on, reload. Oh, save me, homie. Home slice to no noise. Do I have no ammo? Get out of here. Oh god. Just take me. Just kidding. If I go down, you go down. You're in there. Did he really not see me? I'm trying my hardest right now. Yo, that died. Oh, yo, I died. Okay, let's get back into it. This game's actually really fun. Yo, this brings me back to the good old days. To the mode. Yo! Yo, does this gun not know how to shoot? Oh. Chava. Are you joking me? Are you really? Killed him. Played himself. Get out of here, boy. You ain't won none. You ain't won none. Yo, who's the best in the game? Yeah. Oh, definitely not me. Definitely not little Omi. Yeah. Yeah. Wait until I get in here, boy. Wait until I get up them stairs. After I fall down. Wait until I get back up them stairs. Wait until I come in this room, boy. Good. No, I was joking. Just kidding. I wasn't. We're gonna reload. We're just gonna see, you know. Hard scoping the door. Oh. Yo, why am I not shooting? I hate my life. And we take a W home. Give up that W. My W. We're gonna play one more game. I'm just getting dubs, yo. And I press quit. Yo, this is that game, yo. Okay, we're gonna play one more game. I'm a thief tonight. Go battle for a thief tonight. You guys should go check that song out. And of course, I go home. Thief tonight. Thief tonight. If you get 4 kills, you basically win. Okay. Oh, ready? He's not. I don't think he's ready. Really? Okay, take that dub home. Reload. Let's just go refill on that ammo while we out here in the city. He just died. I don't know. Oh. Dude, he shouldn't even let me see him. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Ah! Bang! Oh no, there's somebody else over here. 360 turn on, no scope. Oh, yo, this dude's MLG proing right now. I hit him. I'm not sure. Oh, reload. I'm just gonna see. Reload. Oh, he walked right past me. Nice one, dude. Oh. Okay, let's go back over here. I can hear him with my Astros in right now. Astros as in, I'm dead. That's the Astros as in. I don't even have a I don't have like a secondary gun. Kinda be a thief tonight. Oh wait, are you looking at me? I thought it was your back, man. Mine, back up. Mine, you have a knife, man. Mine, back up, man. Mine, get what I say, mine. Mine. Oh, ammo, mine. Can I kill him 2 times in a row, mine? No, I'm legit reloading in the worst possible place ever. Can we take home 3 dubs? Can we take home 3 dubs? Really? Are you like not? Okay, double kill. I'm trying so hard. I mean, like, I'm already in the MLG Hall of Fame and this, like, I'm like optic nade. Match finished. I didn't take him the dub. But that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, hit that thumbs up button and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and comment if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.